Jazzingwithkadii here, back with our next video. So I recorded a video of mainly vlog, but I totally forgot to make an intro. So anyways, this is the intro, and I hope you guys stay tuned for the rest of the video. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Just keep on pushing.
He owned a couple acres, a couple fake visas, cause he never got his papers. Fucking with them heartbreakers, but he was getting money with the movers and the shakers. He was mixed with a couple things, bought like a couple rings, bricks in a condo and grams to sing. Left arm, baby mother's headed. 5 year been up north when they read it. Anyway,
calls cause I'm not home. What you gonna do on it?
Anyway, I felt them, poked them, put them on lock, seat belt them, took them out to Belgium. Welcome, bitches this pretty, that's seldom. This box better than the box he was held in. I'm on the D and the outer. I call him Tabby like louder. He like you.
Currently at Spanish town. You can see Spanish town. I don't know, I just there travel. You know when they go in? So if you know that Spanish town stuff like.
Right.
Wait, yellow banana there.
Yellow banana the buffet.
Oh,
Oh, and the yellow banana.
that the yellow banana they disqualify. Can't come back. Hey guys, you have now reached the end of the video. Comment down below your favorite part of this video. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Remember to keep posted with your girl at Jazzingwithkadii on Instagram and TikTok. And stay tuned for more vlogs to be coming your way. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.